Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, today I will be explaining about how to write a select statement. Mainly I will be discussing about a complex select statement which we generally write in ABAP. Suppose you have a requirement that you need to verify the data from two tables and then fetching the data, and after that putting the same data into an internal table. So I will be telling in this video. So let me start from the beginning. Here I will be writing a normal select statement like from table 1, and here I wrote a normal select statement like select material plan from table 1. This table 1 is one of your system table in which the data contains. So but in ABAP we generally take the data from a table, and after that we put the data into an internal table. Like I'm writing an internal table like IT internal. Okay, so here I'm fetching the data from internal. We are fetching the data from table 1, then putting the same data into internal table IT internal. One thing to remember here, that you need to first define the internal table as the same table as table 1. Anyway, I will be discussing on select statement here. So in the first statement here, you have seen that I'm taking the data from table 1 and putting the same data into internal table. Now I will add something here, like you have this one. Now I want to verify the same data with another table. So for that we have to write a command that's called for all entries in. So now I can write another table like table 2, and where material equal to table 2 material. Okay, so in this case you are actually fetching data from table 1 and verifying the same material with table 2's material, and then putting the result into the internal table. So my intention in this video to inform that you can use in ABAP, actually you can use like this. You can use the command like for all entries in. So by that you can verify the data from two tables and then the matched data. Like here you can see the material is the material of table 1 and this material is the material of table 2. So the matched material data will be dumped into IT internal table. So I hope you understood this video, and that's all about this video. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe and share this video. See you again. Yeah.